And now, San Diego Connect.
Hey there, I'm lifestyle expert Merilee Kern here to talk about your hair. Thick and healthy hair is a sign of youth and vitality, but unfortunately hair loss happens and a once thick head of hair can become thinner. Just like wrinkles, it's a normal part of the aging process and can also be caused by genetics and changes in hormones. When it happens, it can negatively affect self-esteem and make you look older than you actually are or feel. But the good news is that there's something you can do about it, specifically the HairMax LaserBand 82, a leading-edge medical device that reverses hair thinning and stimulates new hair growth with laser light. The HairMax LaserBand 82 is FDA cleared and proven effective in 7 clinical studies with an over 90% success rate. In fact, during testing, it averaged an increase in hair count of 129 additional new hairs per square inch. That's thousands of new hairs. It works through the process of photobiostimulation using safe, nourishing, low-level laser light energy to trigger hair follicles at a cellular level to stimulate denser, fuller, and stronger hair growth. The LaserBand 82 works super fast. You use it just 3 days a week for as little as 90 seconds per treatment. The therapeutic light energy is delivered through 82 medical-grade lasers in a specially designed band to provide full scalp coverage. Another critical advantage is the special hair parting teeth, a feature that's exclusive to HairMax devices, which separates your hair during treatments to ensure the light energy effectively reaches the scalp. You can learn more about the HairMax LaserBand 82 at hairmax.com and, as always, at theluxelist.com. And here's some examples of just how easy the LaserBand is to use.
You see the results with HairMax.
My hair looks good, so I've been very pleased.
I recommend HairMax to my patients who are looking to reverse the thinning process without drugs and the side effects that go with them.
Thanks to HairMax, now I feel more confident.
Call 1-800-9-REGROW or go to tryhairmax.com to learn more. The sooner you fight back, the better your results. Call or go online right now.